Hi Fierce Loves, welcome in. 𝒮𝓉𝒶𝓎, mabuhay, and you are all back with me, Fierce Zai, and my real name is Elizabeth. You can call me Zai. And my channel is mostly about jewelries, lifestyle, beauty. I'm adding perfumes here and there, and soon skincare, and of course I have some travel videos here on my channel too. For this video, maybe you're new here and you discovered me because I am going to share to you my unboxing, first impressions, and thoughts on these two awesome perfumes. This one is Coach Floral Blush Eau de Parfum, and then the next one is the 3L'Impératrice, and that's from D&G. So before I go ahead and do so, I'm going to share to you my accessories for today because, of course, I love jewelries. And I have here my regular stack over here. And then I have this new ring, which is a haul from AliExpress. You can go ahead and check out the video of my best AliExpress rings haul. And I can put the link down below, or you can just go ahead and check it out on my channel. I have here Swarovski bracelet that I haven't filmed yet, but it's very pretty. Longines vintage watch over here, and then we have the Swarovski. I forgot the complete name of this one, but I can put it down here. I love it. I love it. It's my favorite because it's very easy to just put on in there. I have Pandora rose earrings right here, and a headband from Claire's Belgium. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So this is my order from boost.com, which I'm going to unbox right now. Okay, so we do it from here. I am super excited for the items that we have in this one. Okay, so, well, this came very, very fast. Alright, it says here, it says, thank you for your order. Follow us for trends and inspiration. Boost at boost.com, Instagram, and at boost.fashion for Facebook. So there's this bubble wrap to protect the items that I bought. Okay, and they are right here. So there you go. As you see, Coach Floral Blush Eau de Parfum, and then the other one is this one, which is 3L'Impératrice Parfum from D&G. So removing this bubble wrap, we have the return label right here, and then there's the 10% rabatt code, which is good because there's some other things that I wanted to buy from there. Okay, and then of course I got the receipt. I don't want to show my address. Alright, so these are the two items, and of course I'm going to do the unboxing right about now. So let's start with this Coach one. As you see here, it says Boost cannot be returned if seal is broken, but your mama don't plan to return this anyway because I really like this one. So there you go. I finally have broken that with the help of my nails. Yes. And then here too. There you go. And this is the unboxing experience. Oh wow, look at that. On the box it says to open and close the perfume. Okay, you have to twist it. So that's to open and twist it, and then that's to close. That's cute. Okay, and well, I have tried this perfume several times in Åhléns, in our store here in Sweden. Okay, so the cap has this plastic, and it looks like this. Okay, and that is the perfume. It's really nice. So my significant other have the male version of the original one, and I was like, I wanted to have a Coach perfume too, just one from the house of Coach. or from this brand. And then I searched for the one that I really like the most, and it's this one that really sticks to me. I went several times and finally I bought this item. Well, this is actually released on the spring of 2019 following the original Coach Eau de Parfum and the Coach Eau de Toilette from 2016, as well as the Coach Floral edition, which was last year of 2018. So there's a Coach Floral, and this is the Coach Floral Blush. Yes, I'm gonna show to you the spray. I'm using natural light at the moment, so if you see that the light is changing and dimming, and that's because it's actually literally gray outside. Yes, so as you see earlier, it's ready to spray when it's like so, and then when you wanted to close it, you do it like so. Just swish it or flip it on the right side. Okay, there. And then here's the spray. Okay, and it smells really beautiful. I can smell the floral in there. The berries. It's very citrusy as well. I really like it. This one I really love. Yes, it's more of a spring summer one, but I will still wear this right now and during the winter time. I love the packaging. I love this flower on here. You can see right there. And then there's a Coach tag right here. So pretty. And then the bottle itself is like an ombre bottle, so it's from like almost clear orange and going dark to the bottom, which makes it different because the Coach Floral is lighter than this one, so don't be confused. Both of them smells great because I tried the floral as well on the store, and I love them both, but I chose this one better because I like this more. And let's go ahead and open the second item that I got from the Boost or Boost.com here in Sweden. I really like this one too. Before I bought this one, I smelled it several times, and of course I wanted to try fragrances for myself, on my skin, on a textile, or on my clothes, scarf, jacket, and stuff like that, my hair too, to make sure that I would really like it, to see the initial spray, the dry down, and how long it lasts. So yep, I like this one. But yes, so I'm going to need to open this. As you see, it's still sealed, and I did it off cam so it will be faster. So let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, on this part you can see D&G. I also saw that there's a D&G sticker on the top. Alright, so of course inside the box is another this box where they keep the perfume safe, and it makes it easy for us. The purpose of that one is that so you can just lift it and you can grab the product like so, and that's it. Wow, it's very nice. I actually do like this one. You know that I love perfumes that have very nice design, like Juicy Couture and the likes. And this one is very simple, sophisticated, just like the bottles for Chanel. Yeah, that's nice. Oh my gosh, I can really smell this perfume straight out of the bottle, and it smells so good. So I watched all the reviews that I could find for this, and I love it. Tried it several times, went to Olen several times, tried it on myself, and finally I gave in. Saw a good price on Boost on the sale, and this is how. Wow, this cap is so heavy. That's a very heavy one. Oh my god, you could kill somebody with this. Yeah, so that's how it looks. There. It's very simple. So this one is from Dolce & Gabbana, of course. It represents 5 perfumes of their collection and the D&G anthology, which arrives on the market in September 2009. 2 are fragrances will. So when this was released, there were 5 perfumes that were released by Dolce & Gabbana in 2009, and those fragrances are represented by celebrities. So this one is advertised by Naomi Campbell, supermodel, and the perfume features aromas of watermelon, kiwi, pink, cyclamen, and musk. And I really love watermelon. So that's why I like this one. So this next perfume, which is the D&G 3L'Impératrice, the name itself is inspired by the tarot card number 3. So there are 78 cards on the tarot cards, and yes, I collect them. I collect lots of tarot cards. So these are from 2 different tarot decks. There you go. And as you see, it says there 3 Empress or Imperatrice rather in Latin. So that's where it's inspired from. There are actually 5 scents that are released for this collection, and all of them are inspired by the names of the tarot cards. So as I said, the collection, the D&G anthology, was inspired by tarot cards and their marks. So a lot of people say that they wore this during the daytime in spring and summer, and the main accords is ozonic, aquatic, and fruity. Some say that it's also sweet, and a little bit of people say that it's sour. It has very good reviews. A lot of people like this too, and you see this a lot in YouTube, which is also the reason why I picked this up, because a lot of the YouTubers that I have been watching, and mind you, if you have a perfume video, whether it's a collection or it's a favorites video, I probably have already seen it, and that's the reason why I'm inspired to go ahead and make videos like this, and I'm gonna make some more. So there you have it, and that's it for the 2 perfumes that I have right now. So if you're gonna ask me which one I like the most at the moment, I thought that I liked the Coach more than the 3L'Impératrice. But after a bit, when I tried it on my skin, I think that I like the 3L'Impératrice more, but I actually like them both, only if I have to choose one. But both of them I love. There's no returns for them. I'm not gonna return them. And yes, so I hope that you find this video helpful, and you will see more of my videos coming up soon. I have a huge haul of Juicy Couture, lots of perfumes, and then right at my back, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. I bought these from Black Friday sale, something from Sephora and something from Jo Malone, which I haven't filmed yet because, as I have told my subscribers, I have been working 3 jobs. Yes, and yeah, so there. This is gonna be my first Jo Malone perfume in 100 ml, and you are going to know more about that. I have lots more videos coming up. I will be filming also this Danielle Wellington and MV watches. Not sponsored. I bought them with my own money, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts about it, comparing it with my other watch collections, because I have a lot. I have like almost 50 watches. I kid you not. I love collecting things. I collect lipsticks, perfumes, jewelries, watches, tarot cards, and more. I'm a crazy collector. That's why I work so hard. Anyways, yes, hope you like this video, and give me a thumbs up if you do. Let's continue the conversation on the comments down below. Let me know which one you like the most, and what perfumes do you recommend that I try based on my liking of this 2 and my other perfume collection. See you on my next video, and remember everybody to stay fierce and fly high.